Hey everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first unboxing for 2019. Now you guys know I don't do any mail orders. I do a lot of come with me videos and I go to about 30 nurseries give or take every month, and I'm always coming across really cool plants. And that's kind of a fun thing about me and my plant collection, is that I'm constantly going out into these cool retail spaces and they're like my little souvenirs, and I love being able to hand pick them in person. You guys know I love going out into different retail spaces. I go to about 30 nurseries give or take every month, and I always like to hand pick my babies. It's very rare that I do mail orders. The last one I did was in March of last year, and that was my pink princess philodendron, which is doing really good. So in today's video I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing. I don't buy my plants online. All of my plants in my collection are pretty much hand-picked from me or given to me as gifts or trades. So it's really fun for me to do an unboxing. You guys know I go to about 30 nurseries a month for my channel, and I'm always collecting plants and buying plants every week. So the last time I actually bought a plant online was March of last year, and that was my pink princess philodendron. I will go ahead and do plant orders once a year for really rare plants that I'm looking for. I just bought another rare plant online today, which I will go ahead and do an unboxing before I leave for San Diego next week. So I'm really excited about that. Stay tuned. In today's video, I want to go ahead and unbox plant babies that came all the way from Alaska. Now you guys, I'm really excited because these are Hoyas that I've never seen in person, so I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to go ahead and do an unboxing for the channel and to get some new babies in the mail. I also do sell plants online, so if you guys are interested in getting any babies for me, direct message me on Instagram, Planting with Jewelyn. So I love shipping out plants. I ship out plants every week, but to get plants is a whole nother feeling. So let's go ahead and unbox. Oh my goodness, you guys see this? Okay, this is getting really exciting. All right, so I have a box full of Hoyas, which I'm really excited about. Okay, and this person even sent me the plants in white plastic planters, so that was really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, yay. Okay, this is interesting how they packed it. I've never packed a plant like this before. Let's see here. It came all the way from Alaska. This is probably the furthest I've ever did a plant order from. Oh my goodness, you guys, here's the first one. Look at how stunning it is. I'm interested to see how many divisions I have. Let's see, I see a tag here. So this is the Hoya pallida. Yay, it's perfect. I love it. Okay, let's see the next one here. Oh, this white plastic planter looks a little bit bigger. This is like Christmas. And stay tuned guys, because I'm about to film another video right after this. I'm going to be doing my plant haul from West Hollywood, and I'm really excited to share with you the new plant babies that I got. I'll do that on a separate video. It'll be the video after this one. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, well, A+ so far on packing the plants. Everything is in perfect condition. Take a look at this. So here's the ID tag on it. So this is the Hoya mini bell. Oh, I love it. Look at it. This is so exciting. My Hoya collection is growing. Love it a lot, guys. And these Hoyas I've never seen in person, and I've been to a lot of nurseries, so that's really cool. Love the white plastic planters. I'll probably use it for other plants. Guys, here's the last one. How exciting. Okay. Oh, she also included the hangers for it. Okay, that was really nice. Didn't expect that. I was just happy with getting the plants. But I got white hanging plastic planters, which I've never seen before as part of the shipment. Now, what's left in here is pretty much just a little bit of pumice. So here's the last one, and I want to see if there's an ID tag in it. Here it is, deep down inside. And this is a Hoya Cantiana. Look at how stunning it is. I love it. So here's all of the Hoyas side by side. What do you guys think? I think they're absolutely adorable. So this is the Hoya Palita, Hoya Cantiana, and the Hoya Mini Bell. Sound off down below, guys, if you have any of these Hoyas. Again, I've never seen these Hoyas in person before, so I wanted to go ahead and order online, and I'm really excited to do this unboxing for my channel. Stay tuned because I'm definitely gonna go ahead and repot this into different planters. I'll use this plastic planters for other plants, maybe my begonias or peperomias. Let me know your thoughts on these Hoyas. I can't wait to take it apart because I can see so many different divisions, and I'm interested to restyle them in different planters. So I guess that means I'm gonna have to go out and find new planters for these babies. But I think out of all three of them, and I can't pick a favorite because I love them all, but I really love the shape of these leaves. I love the speckles on it. I see small speckles here and there on it. And then these Hoyas here are like on the longer side, and I don't have any Hoyas with these shaped leaves, so I'm kind of excited about that. I love how this is on the dark green side, and then if you see here, there's like a little like groove in here, which I think is so cute. So I definitely want to be careful repotting these plants. I can't believe that I was able to get the plants all in one piece. There was no damages to the plants. I'm so happy that the plants came all the way from Alaska, and for the most part, I maybe see like right there's a breakage in a leaf right here, but other than that, for the most part, everything looks like it came all intact. Sound off down below, guys. What do you think about my beautiful Hoyas? I think they're absolutely adorable. And let me know in the comments below if you have any of these Hoyas, and do you also find them to be rare where you live? I would love to know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for an upcoming planting with Jewelyn. This was a really fun unboxing for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned because I am going to film my West Hollywood haul now. I just came back from plant shopping, and I'm really excited I was able to get some new plants. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing and would like to see more unboxing on the channel, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What was the last plant you ordered online if you do any plant shopping? I think I would love to know that in the comments below. If you found this inspiring and you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye, guys.